and welcome to the Rachel Fantastic channel. I am Rachel Fantastic, a full-time reseller, and I'm here to open lost, undelivered parcels. If I could have a job just opening mystery undelivered things, I would take it. So this lot of mystery parcels cost me £120. There are 11 parcels here. I've seen some people do it and they get lots of small ones. So I've got quite a lot of big ones. Well, they're pretty much all big, apart from maybe this one and one more. So it works out as £10.91, I think it was, per parcel. I've actually bought two lots. One arrived last night and one's arriving tonight. But weird, I bought them at the same time. So we are going to open these undelivered parcels, and they're not like the ones you see at the car boot where they're just in plain brown bags or grey bags, whatever colour they use, with no labels on. These have got the actual, I'm going to try and cover up the addresses as much as I can, actual labels that they have tried to deliver. First attempt, second attempt, undelivered. So they've all got stickers like that on, so they are proper undelivered parcels. Now this one feels like clothing. We're going to start with the one that feels like clothes. In my head I'm like, oh, it's going to be a tour t-shirt from the 1960s of like the Rolling Stones. Let's do it. Oh, I see pink. Oh, this is a bit disappointing. This one is more TikTok-y. What was the return address on it? I see pink in a size medium. Could be a keeper for me. It's not a keeper for me. Oh, actually, I mean, if I go out, look at that little mini skirt. Yeah, no, you would see your butt in that. Oh, this looks a bit sexy. Look at that. Oh, look at it. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, ooh, ooh la la. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Okay, so what's going on? What's going on here? Okay. Well, they're all... What size are they? Size small. Such a shame. I can't model them for you because they're not my size. So basically, they're all them in different colours. What do you reckon? Couple of quid on Vinted. Couple of quid on Vinted for the skirt. Yeah. I think this might be a bit more sexiness. Oh, oh, the PVC feel. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, yes. Yes. Now we are talking. It's not going to be my size, is it? Well, it's a medium, and I can fit into medium clothes these days. Since I lost weight. You know what? I reckon I could squeeze into that bad boy. Screenshot incoming. I'm joking. I'm not putting it on. I am going to put it on, but I'm not going to show you. Oh, I'm totally putting that on. That's not actually a complete fail, because that, I mean, that's worth a fiver of anyone's money, isn't it? You know, the average cost is £10.90, but let's put that to one side. Okay, next, let's go for a big one. Oh, see, that one's soft and squishy. I don't want to do a... This is in a box. Okay. Okay, so we got a box. Oh, what is it? Is it some sort of washing up rack? Yeah, I think it's like a washing up rack. We've got a leaflet. We've got a leaflet. It's got like, she builded it. It's got like screws and stuff in it. To be fair, I've always wanted one like this. It's like the double layered That might be a keeper, to be honest. Double layer up me plates. How much do they go for? That must be a tenner. Yeah, about a tenner. Worth about a tenner. Worth about a tenner. Would you pay a tenner for? I mean, it's the metal one. It's not a plastic one. Let's have a little Google. Okay, so a similar one on Amazon actually sells for $17.99. That ain't a complete fail. I was be like, oh, dishwasher rack, but quite handy actually. Right, should we go for let's go for this big one. I feel like there's multiple things in here maybe. It's like a really hard, long, cylindry shape. And then some softer maybe clothes. We are going in, baby! Oh, Timu type stickers. Oh, what's that? Like a throw. Ooh! Let's see what way around this goes. I think this. It's like a nice big blanket / throw job. Can't undo the knot. Get in. Oh. Let me in! Just let me in! Oh god, let me in. It's exciting. It's a nice beige colour. Oh, and it's like a really soft, furriness in there. Not that I can anyway. I'm so weak. What is it? A throw? It's not a rug. But let's open these ones. That's what I was hoping I wouldn't get. A lot of TikTok returns. Because usually they don't return. That's why a lot of undelivered parcels don't go back to TikTok, because it costs too much to ship it back to TikTok land. Oh, cushion covers. They're quite nice. So there's 4. So they'll be the same in that as well. Cushion covers and a nice throw. That is good. I like that. That just throw. I just want to. Just think if I get it out, I'm never going to get back in again. But then you need to get out to see what it's like, don't you? Why is life so hard? Get me out of here! Yes, did it. Right. Blanket, 230 by 200 centimetres, a big boy. It's a really nice, I like it. It's thick and it's nice. I mean, brand new blanket. I mean, car boot money, you're talking like, you know, £3, but I mean, if I was to put that on Vinted, £5, maybe more. 8 quid, 10 quid for a blanket. It is big and it is thick. And then cushion covers, £8 to £10. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I don't know if I'm going to Vinted them or just car boot it. This is just fun. Fully aware I'm not going to make money out of this. This is like fun. This is what Rachel does for fun. Oh, right, let's go next. Puzzle. Right. We got boxes. We got 1 box. Got 2 box. Got 3 box. Oh, it's like a thing and then you can draw on it. Does it light up? Does it light up? Does it light up? It lights up, doesn't it? It's going to be a light upper. That must go holder maybe for it. I don't know. And then you can draw on it. Got some instructions in here. Oh, we have instructions. Chinese instructions. Okay, so it's like an easel type stand. And that will... Oh my god, I got so excited, I'm coughing. It's a message board. It's a message board. That is quite cool. I like it. But does it light up? Because it's got like a USB. Does it light up? Does it go... It must light up. I think that's a picture of it lighting up. That is pretty awesome. I like that. Is it 3 of them? So they look like the same type of boxes. Oh my god, if there's 3 of them, put them on eBay and multi-list. I think my daughter might want to keep one of these though. If they are the same. Let's have a look. Are they all the same? Yes. I mean, they must have been, they're not cheap. I mean, even if they're from, you know, TikTok teaming land, they're still going to be, yeah, all the same. I'm going to quickly have a look. Okay, so I found it on the Temu website, and to be fair, it does light up. It lights up, and they sell them for £8.16. That's the right size. Yeah, that's the size I've got. So they're £8 each on Temu. 8 times 3. 24 quid. I mean, one of them's definitely going to be kept, I think. And then, even if I get a 5 for each on Vinted, that's my cost per parcel back. Because we all know I'm doing this for a good time. I'm already happy. I've got my red thing I'm going to be trying on later. Right, on to the next. Alright. Let's do the little one. Pens. Being difficult. Why are you being so difficult? Ow. It's a dangerous job, but somebody's got to do it. Ooh! Car ambient lights. One set. How exciting. Do they go inside the car? Like... Beautiful. Just what I need. No, that would be... How much do they go for? Some car ambient lights. 8 to 10? Who knows? Who knows? Next up! Which one should we do? Which one should we do? Big one. I've got a big one down here too. Let's go for the soft clothing one again. Show me what you got. Okay, so we've got... Oh, nice coat. Lace. Earthly Paradisos. Not that. What the? I don't understand what that says. That's an alright coat with a hood. Show you what it says. And on the arm. Yeah, that's foreign. That's thick though. Why does it say hot cold? Cold, you're hot, then you're cold. Here we go. Extra small. That's annoying, isn't it? That's got to be 15 quid of anyone's money, surely. Brand new coat. That don't look so extra small to me. I like that one. That's pretty impressive. Right, next up. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Got a box. Come by me. 2 bits in there. What is it? What is it? It is a a sewing machine. Yes, just what I need. Oh, and we've got some fashion. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Shoes. I've sold some of the Temu shoes before for like a tenner each, so not these ones, but similar. Size 42. Is that size 8? Yeah. I will take that. It's the handheld sewing machine now, I mean, no. That does not excite me. You don't excite me. Sorry. I'm going to leave this one plastic because it's quite big. That's how much sounds a bit. Oh, something kitcheny. Am I going to open? Oh. I'm back. Need some scissors. Scissors acquired, and just realised I lost another nail. I'm waiting for these all to drop off. I'm trying to peel them off, but right. Back to the box of kitcheners, I reckon. Right. Let me in. I want to see you. I want to see your goods. I want to see your goods. So yeah, it's probably going to be a part 2 to this. I think I'll open the other ones on video 2. Might as well. It's fun. You really sound like pops. What was it, like a steamer? Steamer. The lid. It's got the handle. Put your own handle on it. Yeah, a steamer. How much did you pay for that one? Steamer's worth money? Like, I don't think I've ever bought a steamer. Let's have a look, see how much they go for on the old Temu. Steamer for cooking. £13 on Temu. That steamer. So let's see if there's any cheaper ones. 13, 15, 13. So yeah, it's like 13 quid. Alright, keep going. Keep going. Alright, let's go for this one. Keep on moving and moving. This one feels like a thick bag. Thick. Oh, just not what you want to see this time of year. Never coming out. Christmas. What is it? Oh, it's a ladder. Oh, that's actually cool. Oh, it's got a Santa in it. It's got a Santa that goes up the ladder. So it's got the Santa. Oh, he's a weird looking Santa. He's definitely a Temu Santa, isn't he? And he's got Velcro, so you attach him via the Velcro nest to the ladder. But there's another one. There's not just one, there's 2. Is there going to be a different character, or is it going to be a Santa as well? No, it's another Santa. Oh, ho 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 ho. It's quite cool, look. I wonder if it's actually that long. I wonder how much they sold for. There's a Santa, okay. 16 quid. 10 quid there. 9. 15. Well, I mean, what am I going to do? Just stick them in a cupboard for 10 months? Don't know. I don't know. Oh, fucking Christmas. Ho ho ho, that's fine, we've got 2 left. That's got multiple in, that one's got multiple, that one's bigger. I'm going to say the biggest one for last. Oh, this one's got lots in, this one. Loads in this one. What could it be? Oh, someone went wild shopping. There's all the goodness in there. Right, let's start. We have got B-R-A-V-E. B-R-A-V-E. That is a... Oh, it's someone wants to go robbing the bank. Or skiing. To be fair, when it's really cold at the car boot, I could put that on. Keep my little ears and face warm. A box of mystery. Oh, I love a box of mystery. What's it? Some glasses! That's what I need, actually. I bought glasses from Specsavers and they made my eyesight worse. I can't even fucking see them. Does it do it for you? Can't see because the camera's off. Well, you know, got a bit of funkiness to them. Oh, it's like, is it, oh, no, I don't know, I was going to say it's water, it's not water, but what is that? What are you doing? Some kind of child's, it's like a snack. Why is there, why? So the lid comes off, got one compartment. But what would you, what? I don't understand. And then it goes on 3 times. But what would you put in there? Why? I don't know. It's a snack pot, but why would you have like a little spout for... Let me know in the comments. It's cute though. We've got some kind of baggages. And sort of like putting clothes in after you've washed them maybe. What are you doing? Oh, is it a rain mat? Is it like a poncho? Is it an apron? Is it... What are you? Well, actually, is it one that goes over like a mobility scooter? It's got like a zip. Maybe? Oh, wait a minute, let me know if it's just a pushchair. It's a pushchair rain cover. Maybe. Well, it makes sense, wouldn't it, if they've got kid stuff. Yeah, I'm going to go for a pushchair rain cover there. That is my professional opinion on that. There's loads in here. Right, another box. Oh, it's a heavy box. Oh, it's a like a blow torchy thing device. Adjustable brazing and soldering torch. Well. Okay. Okay. That can't be cheap. That's heavy. That can't be cheap. How to use... Oh, the ones you put in your hair colours. Spray hair with water. Put the rod in. Or you, to make a bun with. There they are. What could it be? It's a mystery. Still a mystery. I don't know. I don't know. Are we still on this? My battery's still good. Oh, let me change it in a minute. Right, what we got going on here? I don't know. So you've got a little pouch there. got like a... But what? I don't know. There's no... Just says aluminium alloy. One size. But what? What does it do? What does it do? Someone tell me. Because I don't know. Right, we've got a purse. Let me in it. I think my job today will be maybe listing some of this stuff. Maybe just take the car out. Oh my god, just open. Open. Please just open. That's cute. This little love heart purse. Valentine's Day is coming up, people. Show your wives you love them with a Valentine's heart purse. Oh, hello. It's like an accordion. Car boot, 50p. Oh, some little bracelets. I promise to wear this and remember how lucky I am to have you. Oh, I want to throw up. This person's shocked. Let me in. God, just let me in. Let me in! More lovey-dovey. What is it? This. Are these like coasters or something? Best wishes. Boyfriend. Let's read it all together, shall we? So I think this might be like a coaster. Like a puzzle piece coaster, or... I don't know. So it says, to my boyfriend, the day I met you, I found my missing piece. You complete me and make me a better person. You're my favourite everything. My favourite pair of eyes to look into. My favourite name to see appear on my phone. Never forget that I love you. World's best boyfriend. Valentine's coming up, people. Who wants it? You sicken me, you lovey-dovey people. Honestly. Have some respect. Right, what is that one? There's still more. We're still going in this one. Oh my god, this is like one of those cool things that you like have on a string and then you kick it and then it comes back to you. Is it? Is it? Is it? It must be, because it's got like a thing on. No, I thought it might be like one that you... So there's the ball, this bit, this must attach to it. Do you put it around your leg and then you kick it? Maybe? Fun. Fun, fun, fun. Who doesn't love a ball? I love a ball. We're still going there. Right, let's go with... I think it's just like a... What's a colouring book? A mushroom colouring book. Let's open up and have a look at some of the mushrooms that you can colour. Do not use... Use coloured pencils, not coloured paint, and not an alcohol marker. Colour in some mushrooms for all you mushroom lovers. Oh, a little thank you card. Right, this is... I have no idea. Stop! Wrong side! Turn card over. I don't know. Did you not news? Ooh. Why is it all like... Listen. But why? Oh, is it ink? Oh, I put my hand on ink. Is it an ink pad? I think it's an ink pad. I'm just like going, oh, look at this, boom, 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 and then I'm just going to ink all over my fucking self. Oh, look what a mess I made. Who needs an ink pad? Oh, so special. Oh, look, it even comes with cards. There's a card. Oh, I've got ink with a card now. Right. Smartphone is going to be a... Yeah, that's a protector for your phone. This... Oh. Family keepsake journal. Dad, I want to hear your story. Oh, these are cute. If you have a dad, then this is cute. You get them to write all their like little things in it, and then you can keep it forever. Another ink pad. I'm not opening this one up. That is it out of that bag. That was a big old bag. Well done us. Right, we're on to the last one. I'm going to change my battery. Right, last one. It's a big in. There's multiple things. So I'm on a shopping trip here as well. I like these big ones. A lot's in. It's exciting. Right, so we've got a medium t-shirt. It's going to be a black t-shirt by the looks of it all brown. We don't need to open that. It's a t-shirt. Let's go for a little bit of scratch. I just saw someone on we're not selling these. They're like little Pandora, but not Pandora. Get you out. There's two of them in here by the looks of it as well. I'm pretty sure they go for like 20 quid. Like it's got all like the bracelets and then all the little charms. Mainly for like little kids really, and it's little fun. But I remember seeing these actually before, and I'm pretty sure they're like they're a bit. I'm gonna look. We're gonna look them up. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it. We're gonna look them up. There's two in here. 1, 2. £9. £7. Oh man, that's not exciting as I thought then. Maybe a £5 each. That's 10 quid already out of this one parcel. Okay, we'll get this one. We'll get to that one. Let's do this one. It's a box that is a mystery. The mysteryness. Ooh, it's a game. Apple, fast word fun for everyone. I'm having a game starting with my friends this weekend. Maybe I'll let's play a fast word game. To be fair, we do like games go all now and then, because that's the age we're at. Yeah. Now this, I think it's one of those light up boxing things. So it lights up and then you hit it, I think. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So it's just let me in. Yeah, smart music boxing machine. Pretty sure these are must be about 15-20 quid. And it'll light up and you know which one to hit. Oh god, that'd be good for your anger. Oh, I might give it to my teenager daughter. Let's have a look up for these, because I'm pretty sure this is, anything that's good and worth money I'm going to be keeping. 27 quid, 26 quid. They're all in the 20 quids plus. I'll show you. All sort of those kind of prices. So yeah, that's a good one. That is a good old find. That this was a good box. If I sell it, I'd probably put it on Vinted for maybe 20 quid. These I'm going to try on Vinted for a £5. So maybe 10 out will go there, 20 there, a couple of quid. So say 30 quid out of that one. That's a good... See? Sometimes you can win. And I've been thinking about this blanket, the really thick blanket. That's going to be more than a tenner, surely. Because that's really big and thick. that's it. I'm empty. This still mysteries me. Mysteries me? I don't understand why they've got the bits that come out. Someone please explain this to me. Yes, and if anyone wants anything lovey-dovey for a boyfriend, I'm your girl. I had fun. This is my kind of excitement. I've had fun. I love it. I know I'm not going to make loads of money back. But here I am. I've got a sexy red number I'm going to try on. I've got a punching thing I might keep to punch. But really I should set it to make some money back. But then it's cool. I can punch it. What am I going to do? I've got some Santas. Fucking Santas. The message boards are cool. So let's go through my top few things that I like. So we've got the message boards that light up. I'm going to sell 2 and probably going to be keeping 1. What did they go for? I can't remember now. Were they like £9 or something? £8 each? So maybe a 5 for each on Temu. That's a tenner. This, I sell it as 20 quid. This is my favourite thing I've got out of this lot. Then we've obviously got the red number. I'm trying that on. The blanket. I love the massive blanket. That might be a keeper as well, actually, because I do love a blanket. So this is my kind of fun. I've loved it. I've loved opening it all. Am I going to make my money back? No. Am I going to get close to my money back? I feel if I sold everything, I would. Yeah, if I sold everything, I've 80 quid. Ish. I mean, I could just wear that and take some photos and sell them. Money back. I'm not. Don't message me asking for it. But it was fun. I've done this for the fun, for the entertainment. That's why I'm doing it. And there's going to be part 2 because I've got more coming later tonight. Yeah. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you like it. And I will see you all next time. Bye now.